When cleaning your classic 160 humidifier, there are some areas that are commonly missed. In this video, we're going to address cleaning those overlooked areas so you can keep your humidifier working as good as new. For more information, refer to the Detailed Cleaning Instructions Quick Start Guide. Unplug the humidifier, lift the water tank from the base, and pour out any remaining water from the tank and base chamber. Flip the tank over. Press the release tabs and gently pull the noise silencer off. Remove the water filter and housing from the tank by rotating counterclockwise and lifting out. Remove the float from the base chamber by pulling up one end of the float and pulling the shaft out from the float brackets. Fill the tank with 3 cups of distilled white vinegar and place it back on the base. Let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Empty the tank and flip it over. Use the brush to clean the area under the noise silencer. Use the brush to clean the mist tube in the tank. Use the brush to clean the area under the float in the base chamber. Clean the filter and housing with water and a mild detergent. Rinse all parts with water, then reassemble.